Easy hands and frequent trips to the mechanic for oil changes is over. For decades, car owners have been accustomed to the routine of changing their vehicle's oil every few thousand miles. This often meant dealing with dirty hands, greasy rags, and the inconvenience of scheduling appointments at the mechanic shop. But now, electric vehicles, or EVs, have revolutionized car maintenance by eliminating the need for oil changes altogether. This is a game changer for car owners everywhere. EVs use electric motors instead of internal combustion engines, which rely on oil for lubrication and cooling. Electric motors are simpler and have fewer moving parts, which means they don't require the same kind of maintenance. Without the complexities of an ICE, EV maintenance becomes simpler and more affordable. No more oil changes, spark plug replacements, or exhaust system repairs. This not only saves time, but also reduces the overall cost of vehicle ownership. This translates to significant cost savings over the lifespan of your vehicle. Imagine the money saved from not having to purchase oil, filters, and other related components. Plus, fewer trips to the mechanic mean less downtime and more time enjoying your vehicle. The absence of oil changes is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the benefits of EV maintenance. Electric vehicles also benefit from regenerative braking, which reduces wear and tear on brake components, further lowering maintenance costs. Let's dive deeper into the routine tasks that keep your electric car running smoothly. Regular software updates, battery health checks, and tire rotations are some of the key maintenance activities for EVs. These tasks are generally less frequent and less costly compared to traditional vehicle maintenance. Additionally, many EVs come with advanced diagnostic systems that can alert you to potential issues before they become major problems. This proactive approach to maintenance ensures that your vehicle remains in optimal condition with minimal effort. So, say goodbye to the mess and hassle of oil changes and embrace the cleaner, more efficient world of electric vehicle maintenance. Your hands, your wallet, and the environment will thank you. While EVs eliminate many traditional maintenance tasks, some familiar routines remain. Electric vehicles, or EVs, have revolutionized the way we think about car maintenance. However, they still share some common maintenance needs with their gas-powered counterparts. Just like gas-powered cars, EVs require regular tire rotations, brake inspections, and other routine checks to ensure optimal performance and safety, and cabin air filter replacements. These tasks might seem minor, but they play a crucial role in maintaining your vehicle's overall health. Tire rotations help ensure even wear and tear, extending the life of your tires. Regular rotations can prevent uneven tread wear, which can lead to a smoother and safer driving experience. Brake inspections are crucial for safety, and EVs often experience less brake wear due to regenerative braking systems. The system not only helps in slowing down the vehicle, but also recharges the battery, making it a win-win for efficiency and safety. Cabin air filters keep the air inside your EV clean and fresh. They trap dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, ensuring that the air you breathe inside the car is of high quality. Replacing them regularly ensures optimal air quality, especially important for allergy sufferers. A clean air filter can make a significant difference in the comfort of your ride, particularly during allergy season. These tasks are straightforward and can be easily performed by a mechanic or even a DIY enthusiast. With the right tools and a bit of knowledge, you can handle these maintenance tasks yourself, saving time and money. Remember, maintaining these basic elements ensures your EV remains safe, comfortable, and performs at its best. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your vehicle, but also enhances its efficiency and reliability, making every drive a pleasure. In addition to familiar maintenance tasks, EVs have unique requirements that center around their electric powertrain. The battery, the heart of your EV, needs periodic health checks. Think of it like monitoring the battery life on your smartphone. These checks assess the battery's performance and identify any potential issues early on. EVs also utilize coolant systems, though simpler than their gas-powered counterparts. This system regulates the temperature of the battery and power electronics, ensuring optimal performance. Regular coolant checks and occasional flushes are essential for maintaining the efficiency and longevity of your EV's powertrain. One unique aspect of EV ownership is the role of software updates. Like your smartphone or computer, EVs receive over-the-air software updates that enhance performance, efficiency, and even add new features. Think of these updates as digital tune-ups, optimizing your EV's driving dynamics, range, and energy management. Staying up to date on these updates ensures you experience the best your EV has to offer. These updates are often delivered wirelessly, making the process seamless and convenient. Embrace the digital age of car maintenance and enjoy the benefits of a constantly evolving vehicle. Section 5, the bottom line, EV savings over time. The true allure of EV maintenance lies in the long-term cost savings. Let's compare the estimated maintenance costs of an EV versus a gas-powered car over a 5-year period. Assuming an average annual mileage, an EV owner can expect to save hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in maintenance costs. This is largely due to the elimination of oil changes, spark plug replacements, and other engine-related services. While the initial purchase price of an EV might be higher than a comparable gas car, the lower maintenance costs over time contribute to a lower total cost of ownership. This makes EVs an increasingly attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Section 6, DIY or delegate EV maintenance options. When it comes to EV maintenance, you have options. Some routine tasks like tire rotations and cabin air filter replacements can be easily performed at home with basic tools. DIY enthusiasts can find plenty of resources online and even purchase specialized tools designed for EVs. However, tasks involving the battery or coolant system are best left to trained professionals. EV dealerships and certified mechanics have the expertise and equipment to handle these specialized procedures safely and effectively. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Embrace the DIY spirit or rely on the expertise of professionals for peace of mind. Section 7. Embracing the future, EV maintenance made easy. Gone are the days of greasy wrenches and intimidating car jargon. EV maintenance is simpler, cleaner, and more intuitive. With fewer moving parts and the integration of digital technology, caring for your EV is becoming increasingly user-friendly. Manufacturers are developing innovative features such as remote diagnostics and predictive maintenance to further simplify the ownership experience. Embrace the future of car care and enjoy the ease and convenience of EV maintenance. The transition to electric mobility brings with it a new era of automotive maintenance, one that is more accessible, affordable, and environmentally friendly. Section 8. Beyond maintenance, maximizing your EV's lifespan. While regular maintenance is crucial, adopting good driving habits can significantly extend your EV's lifespan. Avoid aggressive acceleration and braking, as this can put unnecessary strain on the battery and other components. Optimize your EV's range by anticipating traffic flow and utilizing regenerative braking to recapture energy. Minimize exposure to extreme temperatures, as this can affect battery performance. By adopting these practices, you can maximize the lifespan of your EV and enjoy years of reliable and eco-friendly driving. Remember, responsible ownership goes beyond routine maintenance. It's about making conscious choices that enhance the longevity and performance of your electric vehicle. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of car care is electric. The electric revolution is not just about cleaner transportation, it's a comprehensive shift towards a more sustainable and efficient future. It's also about simplifying and streamlining the car ownership experience, making it more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. EV maintenance is a prime example of this shift, showcasing how technology can transform traditional practices. Offering a glimpse into the future of car care, electric vehicles come with fewer maintenance requirements, which translates to lower costs and less hassle for owners. The integration of digital technology further enhances this experience, providing real-time updates and remote monitoring capabilities. As a result, EV ownership is becoming increasingly appealing to a wider audience, breaking down barriers and inviting more people to join the electric movement. Embrace the simplicity and sustainability of electric mobility, and you'll find that it seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle. Experience the future of car care, where convenience and innovation go hand in hand. As the EV market continues to grow and evolve, we are witnessing rapid advancements in technology and infrastructure. we can expect even more innovative maintenance solutions that further enhance the convenience and affordability of electric car ownership. These advancements are not just about making things easier, they are about creating a more sustainable and efficient world for future generations. The future of car care is electric, and it's looking brighter than ever. With each passing day, we move closer to a world where electric vehicles are the norm. Join us in this exciting journey towards a cleaner, greener, and more efficient future. The future of car care is electric, and it's here to stay.